So with number bonds, we can also use our knowledge of them to help us solve not only addition but subtraction. So looking at this sum here, 10 take away 7, we won't even need to think about counting or using a strategy to count that and solve it, because we should know, because 3 add 7 equals 10, so we can use this knowledge from our addition to solve this. So because 3 plus 7 equals 10, 10 take away 7 we know we would have 3 left. Okay. 30 take away 8. We know that if we take just anything, sort of when we look at the ones, it's going to be 20. So we'll have 20 something. Because we're on 30, we need to think, right, that's a 10. 10 take away 8 equals 2. 20 add 2, 22. So as we move up to larger numbers, so we've got two two-digit numbers. We've got 40 take away 15. The first thing we do is we take away the tens first. So if we take away the 10 from the 4 tens, we've got 3 tens, which is 30. So now our number that we've got is 30. We've still got the 5 to take away. Because we're just taking ones away, we know that we're going to now move into the 20s. 30 take away 5, we know that 10 take away 5 is 5, so our answer is 25.